Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving on Mountain View Avenue. We just turned onto Mountain View Avenue from Old Hope Road, and we're going to drive on Mountain View Avenue and take a tour. The Mountain View Avenue is famous or most popular for two reasons. One, it takes you to the National Stadium, and two, it's the main route you take to go to the airport, the Norman Manley International Airport. So we just passed Stanton Terrace a while ago. This part has a lot of commercial buildings. It was actually homes that were converted to commercial buildings. And then straight ahead on the right now is the National Stadium. There you can see the lights. That's the section with the lights. That's the main stadium, but they have a smaller stadium or smaller field on the outside that they use as well. And also Mountain View has a lot of neighborhoods or communities on either side, and a lot of times you hear about a lot of violence on Mountain View Avenue. Sometimes they block the roads. Okay, on the right now is Nannyville, and on the left is Mountain View Gardens. Those are residential areas. On the left is the Jamaica Rifle Association. That's where it's a shooting range where you can go and shoot guns. Okay, on the right now is the Excelsior Community College. You're going to see two gates. So first one on the right, that's the Excelsior Community College. And then beside it now is the Excelsior High School. Two separate institutions. They have two different entrances. They have the same name, but one is a high school and one is a community college. Alright, so we go straight, we would head towards the airport, but we're going to turn right and go on to Deanery Road. On the left is another campus for the Excelsior Community College. So this is Deanery Road, and Deanery Road is most popular because the St. Joseph's Hospital is on it. On the right is St. Teresa Prep School and also a church. Most of the schools in Jamaica are operated by a church, or they were started by a church, like Excelsior High School and Community College that we saw earlier. Those are operated by the Methodist Church. I've always been impressed with how these truck drivers can maneuver these big vehicles. got in there quite okay. Alright, so we're on Deanery Road heading towards the central Kingston area. So that's the St. Joseph's Hospital on the left, where you see that blue wall, and this is the entrance right here. We're now turning on to Upper Elliston Road. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour with us today. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.